I'm Kelsey.
I'm Shane.
And this is Dixie. And today we are here with our friend Katya, and she's going to show us around her van that she lives in full time.
Hi, I'm Katya. I've been on the road for about a year and a half in my little Transit Connect. Doesn't always have free dog treats written on the side, but because you see what happens.
Right, Dixie was definitely attracted to you the first time we met.
Yeah, we felt an instant connection.
It's like almost like she can read or something.
Yeah, and she jumped right in, and we got out the treats, and then she left. This is a Ford Transit Connect.
Awesome. It's a lot smaller than a lot of the vans.
Small. It's, I know people taller than me that say they want to live in one, so it must be possible. But I don't know anybody taller than me that actually does live in one. And I fit exactly in it.
Right, it works perfectly for you because you're tiny, right?
I'm 5 feet tall.
Awesome. Well, can we see the inside of it?
Yes. Okay, so here's my little kitchen. It has a dog on it. We just made this countertop out of 2x4s, as you can see. Just needs some sanding, but it looks pretty tremendous. Looks good for dogs.
So this is your indoor plumbing.
Yep.
This one with a vessel and spigot.
Yep. This is all I do. It drains to a Tupperware under the sink behind my trash.
Okay.
Yep. You see the all-important Febreze down there. And there's some storage under here. I made a little wire shelf.
Okay. No, it's an ingenious solution. I spent a lot of time plumbing things, and that's great. Yeah. Your plumbing took 10 minutes.
We just decided not to.
Yeah.
I got this cool little match dispenser to hold implements.
Okay.
I have a bathroom.
You do have a bathroom. It's a very nice bathroom.
It's fully functional. And yeah.
Okay.
We were gonna build out a pantry or a cupboard up here, but we left it open with this rack. So I'm really glad. It's space is limited up here. But here's my coffee situation. My little camp stove up here.
Oh, that's very simple.
Right, I got my propane hose just chilling here, ready to power this or my buddy heater that I just put away.
Okay, so you do use propane to heat.
I do.
Okay.
And I have a full-size thing over there. I got my fan here. That's nice. Got another fan up here.
How did you insulate, or did you choose not to insulate?
That's a story. No, it's insulated.
It
I
is
don't know
insulated.
how well, but so under all the flat parts, by flat I mean this plywood.
The wood. Okay.
Not this, because there's cavities behind here.
Right.
That's stuffed with sheep's wool. And
Okay.
not llama fiber.
Okay.
After a long and sordid tale about the llama fiber, and then behind the flat parts, it's half-inch styrofoam foil-backed.
The full back stuff.
Poly blah 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 shit.
I don't remember the technical name
That
for it
shit.
either, but I know what you speak of. And tell me about this little speaker area looking thing we have up here.
That's just a passive vent.
Okay.
Or just a mushroom vent without anything going on. That's the only hole we cut in the van. I got it used as a retired pest control vehicle.
Okay.
So this was already in here.
So they already had it exhaust for any sort of fumes they had. So the fan's probably better than a lot of people's.
I don't know if it's better.
It's a big blade.
I have seen it in one Airstream bathroom. I don't know. But over here we have my lovely closet, which is very exciting. So these vans have, the cabs have huge headspace.
Oh, there's an overcab.
I have a huge closet.
So all you had to do was put a wood face on it. That was already built in?
No, we had to build the shelf all the way out. And you see how we had to anchor it?
I do. Very creative cutting.
My ex had to cut this. Yeah.
And
So that
all
was
lit
fun.
inside too?
Yep.
You got a walk-in closet.
I do! Well, I do for... Uh-oh. I think we lost our Chihuahua. But I was going to stick her up there because it is for her.
You could put a Dixie in there. I like this nice little medicine cabinet
Yeah,
too.
and so here's the world's cutest little medicine cabinet where we usually have sunscreen and
It's very functional.
stuff.
And it's a mirror. Those are two of them.
Mirrors
It's a rare commodity.
Mirrors are important. And I managed to fit a sewing machine in here.
You mend a lot of clothes with that?
I think about it
I think
a lot. Okay. So, are you ready?
Yeah.
So here is my 12-volt cooler.
Okay, so you have a
It's
refrigerator.
under this chunk of mattress here. It's all beer right now.
Okay. All about the essentials.
Yeah, just beer. And we've got all the crafts you could want. Some dry goods. I have a safe.
Okay.
And over here you can see my power situation. So my inverter, my charge controller, and my harmful gas detectors.
Okay, we actually use the same energy setup. Your inverter is
That's what Cassie said.
is very similar to ours, but the controller is the same one we have.
Nice. Yeah, I like it.
You like your energy?
Yeah.
Use
I don't know.
their whole setup?
It hasn't caused me any trouble.
Yeah.
I have actual spices in this guy.
Oh wow, look at that. I see you cook a lot.
Yeah. I have chalk in here for the inside of this door is a chalkboard. I guess I can show you on the other side.
Okay.
And the gallery area is over here.
You do have a fine art gallery.
We specialize in tiny art up
And is there a use for the door?
in here. A use? Sometimes chihuahuas shoot out that way.
Ah, okay.
And here we have a relief map of the Blue Ridge Mountains.
Just in case you have to park in a parking lot, you have something to look at.
Yeah.
Yeah. That was a great view out of the back, though. So we go from relief map. To real wonderful.
Mary has so graciously decorated. We have le gas, and le water, and le fuse panel.
Okay.
And I can reach through here to turn my...
Oh, I see. You can see down the other side of the cabinetry, too.
Yeah.
It's very accessible. You can maintain any portion of it.
Yeah.
I like
That's the
that.
idea. And we have storage here, and there's my batteries,
Okay.
all ratchet strapped in.
Well, you used every inch. I get why.
Yeah.
But it's just very well thought out.
Yeah, I had to. Thank you.
You ever go on top? No, you have a hole, but you
Yeah, I got stuck up there once.
do? You got stuck?
Yeah, well,
It's like
okay.
6 feet tall.
So I know, but if you went up there in my boots and inched forward to attach some art for a festival I went to,
Okay.
you might get stuck between your solar panels.
Oh.
I'd have to sit there and yell for friends who didn't come.
'Cause you can't walk on your solar
strangers
panels.
had to throw me screwdrivers so I could loosen my solar panels. Yeah, I couldn't even get my foot out of my boot.
Oh my
It was
goodness.
So tight, yeah. But yeah, this is like super handy to climb on. Look.
That's what I was wondering. It looked like it was built strong enough to climb on.
Ta-da!
Guys, I hope y'all enjoyed that tour of an adorable little van and that you enjoyed Katya just as much as we do.
And also realize that not every van is meant for every human. I definitely could not live in something that tiny, but a lot of people could.
Yeah. Shane is quite a bit taller than 5 foot tall, so I don't think that we'll be converting any Ford Transits anytime soon.
I don't either. But make sure you guys stay tuned to our YouTube channel and see other tours of other ways to live. Everyone has their own path, and I hope you guys find your own path.
And also, guys, don't forget that every single Saturday we upload a weekly update on what we're doing in our own tiny house.
Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye,
Have
guys.
a good one, guys.